Tell us what you did.
So we soaked an egg in vinegar, and then we waited a couple days. You can wait one day. It's cooler if you can do it like lots of days. So we did that about 4 days ago, and now
4 days ago. It was just 2 days ago.
it was 4.
No.
Well, about 4.
We did it on Thursday.
Oh yeah.
Today's Saturday.
So you can see if you put a real egg, and then you can see it's a little bit bigger because we soaked an egg in corn syrup too, but it got just a little bit strange because there wasn't so much water, but the egg likes water, so it sucks it in.
Okay.
So
what happened on the first day with your egg that was in vinegar? Let's talk about that one.
the very first day, we slept, so we looked at our thing, and it was, it was about this big, but so close to being right now.
What happened to the shell?
The shell, without a notice, the shell came off.
Like it dissolved, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now what do you have? You have an egg.
It's a rubber egg. But if you make one of these, you can't bounce. You can bounce it, but you can't, bounce it.
Like throw it. Let me see it. Let's see what happens when you put it on the plate.
Just put it, bounce
No,
it.
like bounce it. Okay.
It, bounces.
So why is it bigger again?
It's bigger because the water, the egg, sucks all the water into the egg.
Okay, so we're going to show them what the size of a real egg is and what size our experiment turned out to be. So hold both side by side so we can see.
Now look, as you can see, this is a real egg.
Wow, so it's a lot bigger. So the vinegar had water in it that the egg absorbed?
Yes.
Okay. So, to prove that it's a real egg, are you ready to pop it?
Pop it.
Want to pop the egg?
No.
Well, you can't keep it forever. It'll start to stink. We have to pop it eventually.
I won't pop it. Do I just...
Okay, put it on the plate. No, don't squeeze it. Put it on the plate. Go get a fork or a little knife or something.
Now, as you can see, this is a real live knife. Fork.
Fork, okay.
Do I put it
Just
in?
stab it.
As you can see, the yolk.
It was a real egg. Okay, so what do you think about your science experiment and all?
I think it turned out really good.
Look at me. And what are you holding? Look, pull up that thing that you were just holding again. No, the other thing.
Oh, this one.
That's what's between the shell and the egg. When you crack a shell, that little skin. So even though the vinegar eroded...
It's a thing that holds the egg for
It's
you
the
so it
skin.
doesn't crack.
Right, so even though the shell eroded, or the vinegar eroded the shell, it didn't erode that skin, and that was what was keeping it all together.
And as you can see, it's a real egg because you can see the yolk.
Yeah, okay, let's wash up. Okay, good experiment. I love you.